I just done with UniquelyDOUBLEBEE. It's going to be a second attempt at doing a product review for this product that Amazon sent me to review and advertise. It's a LED smoked lens. It's the blinker for the mirror. Right now I have a clear lens and it's not very bright, but this has multiple LEDs. But the first set they sent me, I over tightened the screw and popped the head off inside of it. So I informed them and they sent me a new product that I'm gonna do a demonstration of today and hopefully not put too much muscle on it. So let's get that started. So first thing you want to do is tilt your mirror. I already popped this thing off, but you want to push the big mirror back so you can get your fingers behind this little mirror, and then you want to kind of get them back here and just ease it off, because there's tabs on the back, and unfortunately this one broke off the head, but all these little ones, so you want to try not to do this when it's super cold out. This thing is very fragile. But anyway, once you get that off, you got this cable up in here. Undo that, and then what you want here, let me zoom in on it for you. What you're trying to get to is this hex screw right here, and this is what I broke the head off on the last one, so I had to get a replacement screw just to get that thing back up and running. But let's get that undone. All right, I stand corrected. This fitting is not a hex head, it's a star, so it's a T15, and ease that out. And then now you can pop this out. That's where these plastic removal tools come in handy. All right, there we go. Got that one out. Get a new lens. That's a broken one. Oh, here, let me show you. There's a little tab on this side right here that you have to be careful of. So when you're using your removal tools, just remember that. And then the new one, you want to line it up. This one says left, so this is not the right one. Hold on. All right, so make sure it says right, which is right there. So it slides, this piece here slides past that. So you just get it in there, and here, let me set this back up. All right, I think you got that position right. So you just get that back in there and reverse the process. This is where I messed up last time. So I don't have any hand T-tools at this size of T15. So just here, hold on, let me show you. I'm gonna get the screw right in there. Make sure everything lines up. Put your drill on the lowest pressure or torque. Oh. I need a hand tool. Hold on. All right, this T15 screw is just a little too thick in width for the hole on the new light. So luckily I have this stainless in a tray of used screws, but it seems to fit better. So I don't know what M class this is. But I'll find out and see if I can add it into the description. Let's see. So let's try that with a hand Phillips head screwdriver. All right, let's see what we got here. That head is not. All right, let's try the smaller one. See how this works out. Yeah, that worked. That worked nicely. Probably had my armpit in your face the whole time, so hopefully it didn't stink. So we'll get that nice and snug there. Put this wire back. Oh, the pin was a little off. So let's give it a shot. Turn this truck on, see if we got a blinker. Nice. All right. Well, there we go. The other side's going to be the same. So I'll show you it on completion. All right. Just basically put everything back the way it came apart. So let's snap this mirror back on after I turn the blinker off. All right. So, by the way, there's these little notches here, and these notches align with these little pegs right here. So when you get on this side, just push it back on there. Oh, you just got to be not scared to push on it. All right, we'll get, that's auto mirrored, but I have to get this one reset for the way I tow. But there you go. Not too bad. I'll show you the other side when I get that one done. All right, this is the right one. And I got the left one installed. Looking pretty sharp. So let's load it, shut that. Pretty good. And then the smoked lens is because it's matching these other products. Smoked Lights back here. Well, let me turn those on. Pretty nice. It's a little dirty right now, but got that. The only thing I'm lacking is smoked tail lights. Got it on that side, and then my puddle lights are smoked now. Other than that, smoked cab lights. That's in another video. Doesn't look too bad. All right, thumbs up, 5 stars. Uniquely Double B out.